Hello dear friends, today 10 July 2022. My name is Sergey Khodachenko. I have one order from Bahrain. Uh, our client want two working head for gold medal Kota candy machine Tornado. Now I show you. This is working head for Kota candy machine Tornado. This is working head manufacturing 15 kg per hour Kota candy. Handmade. This is ring never broken. Maybe one time 3-4 years you change this heater. This is heater not expensive, cheap. If you won't buy to me or your country. All stainless steel. Very easy connection. We take off old original working head gold medal Tornado and trash. Put this and we have this screw more long connection and we connection this. This working head volume 2 kg sugar. What I give with this electrician screw. Very beautiful. If you want change your working head from your gold medal Kota candy machine Tornado, write to my WhatsApp under this video. See you again. Bye bye.